Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park the Nissan Rogue on level ground, place the transmission in park, and engage the parking brake. Add wheel chocks in front and behind the diagonally opposite tire to prevent roll. Open the trunk and remove the spare tire, lug wrench, and jack. Check the spare's recommended pressure. Most temporary spares require 60 psi. Before jacking, use the lug wrench to break each of the 5 lug nuts loose about 1/2 turn, turning counterclockwise, while the tire remains in contact with the ground. Find the Nissan Rogue's designated jacking point near the tire, usually the reinforced pinch weld or lift pad indicated in the owner's manual, and position the jack securely. Pump or crank the jack to lift the vehicle until the flat tire is about 3 to 4 inches off the ground, ensuring stability before you work. Remove the 5 loosened lug nuts completely and set them aside in a safe spot. Pull the wheels straight off the hub and inspect the rotor, caliper, and hub for damage or debris before installing the. Align the spare tire with the hub holes, push it straight onto the studs, and thread the 5 lug nuts by hand to hold the wheel in place. Lower the vehicle until the spare just contacts the ground, then use a star or crisscross pattern to snug the nuts. After lowering completely, use a calibrated torque wrench to tighten each lug nut to the manufacturer specification, 80 FT-LB 108 Nm, following the same star pattern. Store tools and the flat tire. Confirm the spare is 60 psi, and proceed to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.